guys, this is the ceiling mount. This is from Suptek, a universal ceiling mount. It was $19.99 from Amazon. So what I'll do is I'll open it up and we'll have a look at what's inside it. So, instructions. Plate. More plates mounted. This is the ceiling mount, and then 4 arms and a selection of screws and washers and 2 Allen keys. It also comes with what appears to be mounts to mount it to your ceiling. We'll see how they go when we offer it up. Hangs from the ceiling here, and then we'll get these arms, and they'll be adjustable to fit on here. Possibly something like that. We'll get it set up and we'll see how it looks. Okay, I've now mounted that to the top of the projector. The only trouble was, in this packet here, according to the instructions, there was 2 types of M3, 2 types of M4, 2 types of M6 and an M5 screw. But there is no M5, and it just happens to be that this projector needs an M5 screw. Luckily, I keep packets of machine screws in the garage, so I had some laid about. So although it's a bit disappointing that it didn't come with the M5s it said it does, I had some in the garage. So that's now mounted onto there, and of course this can be moved to find the centre of balance, and these can be tightened up with a screwdriver. Okay, so the next job is going to be mounting this on the ceiling. Okay, so it's now been screwed to the roof with the screws that come with it. I went through one of the beams in the ceiling here, so that was good. This one's into the plasterboard, but they are plasterboard screws according to the manual. I've now adjusted it and tightened up here and tightened up the grub screw here for the thread to stop it rotating. And the distance, what I had to do was hold it up till I got the size of the picture I wanted for the screen we've got. In this case that's 98 inches I believe. And I just basically walked it back along the ceiling, which is difficult on your own, until I got the picture I wanted, marked it out, made sure it was in the centre of the room, and then screwed it up. Fairly straightforward to fit, fairly easy. Like I said, the only problem I had was these screws. These are M5s and they weren't in the packet. They're the only ones not in the packet, even though it said it did have some. All in all, it's okay. 20 quid's worth. Cheers guys.